You know, it's just what I do. Get out there, get on the fish.
There's just something about that calm lake water before the sun is really up.
You can get a lot of good fishing and quality time spent with the family. That's why I bought it, so we could get out there.
I've done the routine, I've done the prep, and I got my gear ready.
Now, it's time to go do what I love to do.
And you know, I wouldn't have it any other way. Because as soon as these monsters wake up, we're out there.
And for me, there's only
One boat I'd ever own.
And that's CRESTLINER.
I love my CRESTLINER for many reasons. It's super durable, and it has all the fishing features.
I could ever want. Tons of storage for gear and rods.
The more the merrier. It's like a vacation every time we're on this thing.
Time after time, CRESTLINER has come up with some great innovations.
Industry-leading stuff that not only works better, but looks sharp too.
I don't think I would have won my last championship without my PT20. When it comes to serious fishing, getting out there and just winning,
There's only one boat that does everything I need it to do, and then some.
One boat that offers all the strength and durability a guy could ever want.
and that's CRESTLINER.